Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use WordPress for SEO optimization, full guide step by step clearly. First, log in to your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to the plugins section on the left-hand menu. Search for an SEO plugin like Yoast SEO or All-in-One SEO. Click Install and then Activate to enable the plugin. Once activated, find the plugin in the dashboard menu. Open the settings for your chosen SEO plugin. Configure the basic settings according to your website's needs. Set a focus keyword for each page or post you create. Optimize your titles and meta descriptions within the plugin. Ensure each page has a unique title incorporating your focus keyword. Include target keywords naturally within your content. Use headers appropriately to structure your content hierarchy. Add alt text to all images for better accessibility and SEO. Create a user-friendly URL structure by editing permalinks in the settings. Utilize internal linking to connect related content on your site. Generate an XML sitemap using your SEO plugin. Submit the sitemap to Google Search Console to enhance indexing. Optimize for mobile responsiveness by using a mobile-friendly theme. Monitor website speed and optimize images to improve load times. Use Google Analytics to track visitor behavior and site performance. Regularly update your content to keep it fresh and relevant. Backlink to authoritative sites to improve your domain authority. Use social media to promote your content and attract traffic. Finally, conduct regular SEO audits to assess the effectiveness of your strategy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.